Hey, assalamu alaikum. This is Maruf, and I have come to another video. And it's a very sunny day, but very beautiful place. Look at that. Beside me, there are some god tree. It is being very proper, and it is also some disease on this tree. Some people are treatmenting this tree to grow it, and I like god tree most because it is very useful, and there are a lot of vitamins, lot of energy on this cultivator. And I want to show something shoe around my behind doors, and there are a lot of people especially working to catch fish, and still there are some fields which are full of water, the lands which are under amongst the other fields, but most of the land are now dried. And there is also lake. I will show you, inshallah. And there are a long lake. The lake usually used to take water. If you want to cultivate, or if you want to take your own rice or paddy, you have to cultivate. You have to take lot of water, because among the other crops, to cultivate paddy, water much water is needed, especially. And there are huge number of amount of water are needed to cultivate this paddy field, and to continuously it takes around 1 or 2 months to cultivate properly. And there is a lake beside me. I will go there and I will show something. How can you express something? And this field is already cultivated, and it is prepared already by the machine, but it is waiting to take water. And this is the land or lake also. So this lake was made around 10 or 12 years ago, only for there is a huge lake. Look at that. The length of this lake is very far. It's maybe 1 kilometer, but it comes from there. It connects from our beside a river nearest our village. So it came from this nearest village, but it is helping to give the water all of the field. But before constructing this, there is also type of thing. Like before, the people usually cut one type of root, and under that, and through this root water comes usually. But now it's a digital system, so it is very helpful, because there is no chance to go anywhere water. And sometimes there are some hole to keep water from this. I will show if I see. Okay, like here, or people usually take water from their by their hands, or take any pot especially. But I don't know, but already this lake was cleaned properly. It was take 2 or 3 days to clean this whole lake, and now it is prepared to take water, or to come to let the water comes through this lake. And 1 month or more than 1.5 months water has to be come, because I have told before that to cultivate paddy field, water is most important. As much as water you will get, you will see much things. And I'm going to under the shadow. This is the last point of my video, and I will going to end it. Oh, there's also a term system. If I see, I will show you. Look at that. When the water should go through this root, look at that. Here is the system I told you. There is no system to make this. The people made it by hand. People made it by hand. When the water needs all of them, at that time, by the wood, this root or this lake is to be closed. And that time the water goes through this. and I will show more, inshallah. There is also some, there are a lot of lands through there. For this reason, this field was made, or this lake was made. There is also like, so when the water takes or need for this, for those lakes, the water will go through under this root and go, and it will be drought all of the field. Inshallah, I will show, and I will show you when the water comes. At that time, I will make video for that, and I will help you to speak. How can you speak at this time? I'm not an expert in English, but I'm trying to speak English, and I am helping you, and I am encouraging you to start your speaking as soon as possible.